Create an employee list template in Excel. Right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom to change the sheet's name. Click and drag the top row boundary to resize the spacing for your title. Select the cells from column A to P in the top row, then click Merge and Center. Type your title into the merged cell and format the text, font size, bold, etc. as desired. In the first header cell, type the letter N and press Alt plus 167 to create the degree/number symbol, number. Fill in the rest of the columns with your required employee header information, e.g. name, position, department, start date. Adjust column width. Resize the column widths to ensure all header text fits perfectly and looks neat. Set the numbering. Type the number 1 in the first cell under your number header. Autofill the list. Click the bottom right corner of that cell, the fill handle, and drag it down to automatically generate the remaining numbers.
Next, enter the staff ID in column B. Use the autofill feature to complete the sequence for all staff members. Enter the first name and last name in the next columns. Create Settings Sheet. Create a new sheet and rename it Settings. Define criteria. In the top row of the settings sheet, type Gender as a header. Below it, enter two options, male and female. Go back to your main sheet and select all cells in the Gender column. Navigate to the Data tab and select Data Validation. Under Allow, choose List. Click in the Source box, go to the Settings sheet and select the two criteria, male and female. Click OK to apply the drop-down menu. Date of birth. Enter the date of birth, DOB, for all staff members in the designated column. Apply formula. To calculate the age, click on the first cell in the age column and enter the following formula. Equals yearfrac. Click on date of birth, comma, today. Press Enter. You can then drag the fill handle down to calculate the age for the rest of the staff. The result will show the staff member's age based on today's date.
Add years to age. Instead of showing just a number, format the cell to display text. Format cells. Custom. In the type box, enter 0 years. This keeps the cell value numeric for calculations while displaying the word years. Address dropdown. Go to your settings sheet and list your common cities, provinces under an address header. On your main sheet, select the address column cells. Go to Data, Data Validation, List. Select the range from your settings sheet and click OK. In the following columns, enter the address, contact number, and email address. Headers. Ensure all staff information headers are clearly labeled in the top row of your spreadsheet. Calculate duration of employment. To show how long a staff member has been working, use the yearfrac function, referencing their start date. In the duration column, enter equals yearfrac, start date cell, today. Convert to table and automated reporting.
Converting your range into a table makes your formulas dynamic. They will automatically update when you add new staff. Staff summary metrics. Create a small summary area or a dashboard sheet to track these figures. Total staff equals CountA staff ID range. Total male equals Countif gender range male. Total female equals Countif gender range female.
Link the Total Staff box. Click on the border of the Total Staff shape box. Click inside the formula bar at the top of the screen and type equals. Click on the cell where you calculated the total staff amount using the Count-A function, then press Enter. Link the gender boxes. Follow the exact same steps for the gender shape boxes by linking them to your respective Countif cells. The employee list setup is now complete. Your shape boxes will automatically update whenever new staff information is added. Thank you for sharing your great workflow, and congratulations on finishing your employee list project. It looks like an excellent automated setup. ICT Share.